I like it. Let's get some healthy flan. If you don't know what flan is, it's pretty much a custard with a simple syrup on the bottom or the top, depending on if you flip it. It's typically made with milk, sweetened condensed milk, eggs, sugar. We're gonna clean it up a little bit. We're gonna swap out the milk for coconut milk. Made this the other day. I'll explain it in a minute. Dates instead of sugar. We're gonna use that to make a caramel, and then we're gonna sweeten the coconut milk with it. And I'm using eggs. If you're plant-based or vegan, or if you just don't want eggs, you can use agar or agar. I don't really know how to say it. I haven't had any available to me lately, so I haven't really played around with it, but you're more than welcome. I just think it'll give you a bit more of like a jello-y kind of texture. Vanilla, some cinnamon sticks. I'm just gonna use one. They just make me feel fancy. You don't really have to put cinnamon in it. For the coconut milk, you can buy your own milk. I like to get a fresh coconut. I hammer it, crack it. I've got this tool. It lets me pop out the coconut meat pretty easy. And then from there, you just blend it with hot water and strain it. If you want the tool, I'll throw it in the description. I think it's just called the coconut tool.
I love you.
looks. If you like alternative healthy recipes like this, give me a follow. Chilled overnight. It's actually Christmas, so Merry Christmas if you celebrate it. I just threw this back on for consistency, you know. Slide butter knife. So I'm hoping I picked a good one, and I hope that this reveals nicely, because it's not easy to get that nice, perfect flan top. I hope this works. I'm just gonna fix the top. I guess that's the thing with the dates. They don't really caramelize the same, or I just should have cooked them a lot longer. There's a little bit of the caramel still in there. So I like it. I think the dates being in the coconut milk to sweeten it gave it a little bit more of a texture, where flan is usually really smooth. If you want it more kind of traditionally, then you might not want to do the dates, or you might want to strain them out. I prefer to keep the whole date in there, just so that way you get all the fiber and you're not just getting a huge sugar spike. A lot of recipes, people use honey. I've heard you don't really want to cook honey, because once it boils, there's some science behind it. I like it. See if my sister likes it. She probably won't, because it's not sweet enough, but it worked. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's in one of these corners. And yeah, look out for more healthy recipes. I'm gonna be doing more stuff like this.